Hello everyone, welcome back to Edward Casual channel, and today we'll be making an amazing no egg sour cherry tiramisu, which is honestly an amazing recipe which we have tried and tested with my beautiful wife. So for today's dish we'll be making some strong coffee first. To prepare that, just use a larger amount of coffee grounds with some water and boil it over the stove top. Measure out 100 grams of castor sugar. To which you'll need to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 2 packets of ladyfingers, some good quality cocoa powder, some filtered strong coffee, 250 grams of mascarpone, and also 200 grams of heavy whipping cream. Pour whipping cream into a bowl and whisk it up till it becomes this sort of texture. Add in the sugar mixture with your mascarpone cheese and whisk it well till it becomes thoroughly incorporated. Remember to wipe down the sides to get a better result. When using your mascarpone and whipping cream, make sure that they are quite cold. That way it gets the best results as you can get. When the sugar is incorporated, start adding in the whipped cream bit by bit. Also add a few dashes of rum essence into the mixture. When you see that the mixture is thoroughly incorporated, add in the rest of the whipped cream. This is the sort of texture you should be aiming for. In this video we'll be using sour cherry jam. When the coffee is cold, start dipping your ladyfingers into it. The dip part into the coffee shouldn't take more than 1 second, because if you do more, the ladyfingers will end up soggy. Now spread evenly the rum flavored cream all over the ladyfingers. This tiramisu is the product of our love by me and my wife. Because honestly, cooking is always more fun well done in a family setting. Make sure to cover the sides with the cream, because we'll be stuffing the leftover ladyfingers later on. Now sprinkle the sour jam unevenly. That way you get differing flavors each time you take a bite. The differing flavor helps your taste buds don't get used to the same taste. That way, the whole dessert stays evenly fantastic as you eat it. If your jam is on the sweeter side, please make sure to not sprinkle too much of it, or else the dessert will turn out way too sweet. Now sprinkle a light layer of cocoa powder all over the sour cherry jam mixture. Sour cherry jam can be substituted with any other sour or tart jam, such as raspberry, which complements the coffee and chocolate notes of this dessert very well. As you can see, all the ladyfinger needs is a little quick dip into the coffee. 1 second dip is more than enough. When doing the second or third layer of the biscuits, make sure to press them down. That way you don't get any air pockets left in the dessert. Start spreading the second layer of the cream all over the ladyfingers. As you can see, don't forget to cover the sides. Add the second layer of sour jam. Followed by a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Continue with the last layer of ladyfingers. After being done with the last layer, you'll have 3 leftover biscuits, which you will place on the sides of the rim. Add all of the cream that is left. And cover the surface evenly. Add your last dashes of sour jam, which will protrude in the finished product, that way creating a nice layered effect. And add the last layer of cocoa powder, that way creating that nice top of the dessert. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment on what I should do next. Now leave your dessert in a cold place for at least 2 hours or overnight for the best results. After 2 hours have passed, add yourself a nice chunk of the tiramisu and enjoy to your heart's content. Just take a look at that stunning beauty. So, as you can see, this is an amazing, stunning, beautiful, and also heavenly dessert. So let's try it. my god. Honestly, you guys should try this dish. I mean, you should try this dessert. It's honestly the best tiramisu I have ever tried. It is sour and sweet and has a nice kick from the cocoa. Honestly, it's everything that you always wish from tiramisu. So try this dish, it's definitely worth it. If you liked my cooking videos, do make sure to subscribe, like and comment down below. Honestly, even a little support helps quite a bit. So, thank you from the bottom of my heart.